SEO has changed forever in 2025. Here's a shocking stat that's gonna blow your mind. 34.5% of your #1 rankings just lost their clicks to Google's AI overviews. That means the strategy that got you to the top of Google last year might not work anymore. Like, we're talking about sites that were crushing it last year and now they're wondering where all their traffic went. Google's rolling out AI overviews on 18% of all searches now. That's up from just 10,000 keywords back in August 2024. And publishers are seeing a 47.5 drop in desktop clicks when AI appears. That's insane, right? And on top of that, with the dozens of algorithm updates that have been made this year and these AI changes happening in real time, your SEO strategy has to evolve right now or you're screwed. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact data and 5 proven fixes to get your traffic back, so you don't lose all your hard-earned rankings. And I would know this because we've now worked with hundreds of small businesses, helping them rank for thousands of keywords. We've seen what's worked, what doesn't, and most importantly, what's working right now in 2025 to stay on top of Google. Quick thing, if you want to see exactly what's broken on your website right now, grab my free website audit spreadsheet in the description. It's the same process we use for our clients ranking #1. All right, let's get into it. Thing number 1, AI overviews are stealing your clicks. So here's what's happening when AI overviews show up on Google. The #1 result loses about 1/3 of their clicks. We're seeing click-through rates drop from 28% down to 19%. That's a huge chunk of traffic just disappearing. But here's what most people don't know. There's actually a way to win with this. AI overviews pull information from well-structured content, but here's the key. Content that gets cited in AI summaries actually gets higher click-through rates. So you want to be in the AI overviews, not competing against it. Write your answers in the first 150 words of your content. Like, don't bury it halfway down the page, nobody's gonna find that. Focus on branded searches. Those actually get 18% more clicks with AI. And target commercial keywords because AI appears way less on buy, hire, and near me searches. We've started doing this for all our clients, and the ones who adopted early, they're actually getting more traffic than before. Now, even if you master the AI stuff, there's still something else that Google's putting way more weight on. And that's thing number 2, EAT. EAT is now crucial for rankings. Google is now evaluating content using over 80 EAT signals. That's experience, expertise, authority, and trust. With AI content flooding the search results everywhere, Google is putting way more weight on human expertise and real experience. Like, they don't want to show generic AI written slop anymore. They want to see that a real person with real experience wrote this stuff. You could add your photo, and if you're not the owner, add the owner's photo and credentials to every single service page. Google literally tracks author entities now. Show real experience in your writing. Don't just say plumbing is important. Say, in my 15 years as a plumber, I've seen homeowners save thousands by doing this one simple maintenance check. That signals expertise to Google. Get customer testimonials with photos and link to your Google business profile. This establishes entity authority. Also, side note, use the CID link when linking from your website back to your Google business profile. It'll help you rank. We implemented this for Al's Bin Rentals, and they now rank #1 for over 150 keywords because Google sees them as the authority in waste management in their area. But even with perfect authority signals, you can still lose rankings if your website is slow, which is why Core Web Vitals can make or break rankings. 53% of users abandon sites taking over 3 seconds to load, and Core Web Vitals are confirmed ranking factors by Google. If your page takes longer than 3 seconds to load, you're not going to rank #1, period. I don't care how good your content is. Here's what you need to hit. LCP under 2.5 seconds, IMP under 200 milliseconds, and CLS under 0.1. Use Page Speed Insights, it's Google's free tool. Compress your images using tinypng.com, remove unused plugins, and enable caching. We had clients loading in 8 seconds on page 3. We fixed their speed to 1.8 seconds. They hit #1 in a few weeks. Now, you can have the fastest site in the world, but if you're targeting the wrong intent, you're still not going to rank. That's because search intent beats exact keywords. Only 5.4% of AI responses contain exact keyword matches anymore. Google's AI understands context way better than exact phrases now. User behavior signals like bounce rate and time on page are stronger ranking factors than keyword density at this point. Instead of stuffing Hamilton Dentist onto your page 50 times, focus on answering what someone searching actually wants. Your location, services, hours, how to book, right? It's kind of obvious. Research actual customer questions, not just keyword, and answer the full question in your content. And track your bounce rates. Google uses this as a ranking signal. And here's the thing, even if you dominate Google with perfect intent matching, that's only part of the game now, because multi-platform SEO is essential. 58% of people are changing how they search because of AI. Users are now searching in TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, not just Google anymore. You literally can't just rank on Google and call it a day. Claim your business profiles and handles everywhere. Post consistently across platforms, use local keywords, and get customers to tag and mention you on social media. That builds authority across all platforms. And focus on video content. It dominates literally everywhere now. You're watching a video right now. We've been doing this with our own content, and our Instagram hit over 320,000 followers using these same principles. The same stuff that works on Google works everywhere else too. So here's your priority action plan. Week 1, test your core web vitals, add your bio and photo to top pages, and check if AI overviews appear for your keywords. Month 1 and 2, rewrite your top pages to answer questions first, add testimonials with photos, and create comprehensive guides. Month 3 and onward, set up social profiles, post weekly on 2 to 3 platforms, and track your changes. So those are the 5 things you need to do to keep ranking number 1 as SEO changes in 2025. If you haven't grabbed that free website audit spreadsheet yet, definitely do that. Links in the description. It'll show you exactly what's broken on your website so that you can start fixing these issues right away. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay updated on what's actually working right now, especially when Google keeps updating things. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.